Malaysia,
Colombia,
Germany,
Cayman Islands,
Sweden,
New Zealand,
Peru,
USA,
Austria,
Nepal,
Australia,
Angola,
Mexico,
Vietnam,
Georgia, España,
Ghana,
Great Britain,
more than 90 countries.
ponad 90
más de
krajów.
90 países,
From every corner,
Every corner of the world, every race, religion,
Haymanot, colors, color, in one place,
and one time,
at one time.
Solo tiempo.
So hello guys, my name is Iqbal Al Hakim, you can call me Iqbal. So today I will talking about unity in diversity. I believe everyone here is familiar with Avandi Kusuma, one of the most incredible painter in the world who come from Cirebon, West Java. His painting has been well known by European, Asian, and also in American. Therefore, no wonder if his painting is praised up to $1 million. It is because of wonderful and amazing colors inside of the painting. The diversity of the colors which make it more beautiful and meaningful. Talking about the diversity, we talk about on how the different ethnics, religion, and ideas are united to be a solid identity. An identity which strongly glow a nation in the world eyes. It also on how this diversity could be media to improve the quality and the credibility of nation. Indonesia, as multicolor nation, concept of the million differences of culture. Then, by standing under the idea of unity in diversity, the value of trust, respect, and just exist. However, when one of them is unparalleled, it could be boomerang for the nation, or it will be ready to explode the unity. Therefore, we have to keep it. As me, being raised with a family from 4 different religions and saying that many cultural differences and also religion intolerance and gender inequality have been cause of trouble in Indonesia and also persecution inspired me to the campaign called Be Diverse, Be Tolerant, to encourage all the people to embrace the differences and respect for others. And as a spokesperson, I came from a place where they taught me to find happiness in the simplicity of nature, in the healing power of love. This is why I don't dream with a physical crown or title. I dream with opportunity to represent each one behind the screen that still believes that the world can be changed with planting seeds of love and acceptance. And I feel so fortunate enough to come from the land of opportunity. I would bless with a 10-year modeling career that took me around the world, where I can realize where it is their need for change. I chose to be a part of that change by pursuing studying biomedical engineering so that I can help people all around the world regardless of who they are and where they come from. I believe that it's important to always be the hardest working person in the room. And I believe there is no one single definition of beauty, but embracing one difference is what makes it truly beautiful. Thank you.
Dari Nakulsitava, Kazakhstan! Mary Asalera, Kenya! Jenny Kim, Korea! Camila Barraza, Kosovo! Kiran Jassel, Malaysia! Marta Fenek, Malta! Khushbu Randawaj, Mauritius! Cristal Silva,